Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert a number to a string and when you need to do this in your code. Do you need help advancing your coding skills? Check out my new program, Code Breakthrough. Code Breakthrough offers hands-on learning with Python and data structures, algorithms, and interview challenges. With a supportive community and regular new content, Code Breakthrough will help you get hired or advance your career. For a limited time launch special, use the link in the description to get 20% off your subscription. See you there. So the very first thing is, check out my code here. We got this message. It says, please subscribe, hint, hint, print the length of the message. And when we run this, we get exactly what we would expect, 16. So we don't have to do any kinds of conversions to print a number. However, what if we want to tell the user of our application, your message is 16 characters long? Well, let's think of how we would write that. First, we would put a string here, and we would say, your message was, and then we print the number, 16, so we'll put a plus here, and then another plus, characters long. So that is the concatenation that you would do in order to get this message out in the terminal. So running this, we get an error. Can only concatenate stir or string, not int to stir. So what that is saying is that you cannot automatically concatenate an integer to a string. So what you need to do is you need to say stir parentheses, and you can see in here it creates a new string object from the given object. So if we pass a number into this, like so that's all your syntax. Let me zoom out so you can see it all. So what it's going to do is it's going to convert that number to a string, which can then be concatenated. So we'll run this, and it says your message was 16 characters long. So that's how you convert from a number to a string. Now, one other thing is you might not need to do this when you're printing data, and maybe just when you're doing other stuff in your code. Because instead of using the plus here, you can actually just separate your data with commas, get rid of that string conversion, and put another comma there. And this will automatically put spaces between your data and print it all out regardless of the type here. So it says your message was 16 characters long. So we get the same exact output with no conversion and no concatenation. We just have to use those commas. We're essentially passing each thing in as a separate argument. This option